What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Pancis. If it's your first time tuning in, please be sure to smash the subscribe button, as 80% of you guys, roughly 80% of you guys, are not subscribed. So be sure to do that so you guys can see what's going on with the channel. Lots of fun, exciting things coming up. Today, we are back at it with my 2004 Saab 9.5 Aero. If you guys haven't been following the build, we got this car on the channel about 4 weeks ago now. We got the whole car repainted, rebuilding it. Right now, the ABS module is getting repaired, rebuilt. So hopefully in this video, we can finalize that to get rid of all the Christmas tree lights that are on the dashboard. So stay tuned. So to top that, guys, what we're doing first while we're waiting for the ABS module to come back is we're going to be fixing up some of the things around the car. And if you guys haven't been following my thought process with this vehicle, is this car, these 9.5s are like the best road tripping cars to take on the road. They're great, comfortable cruisers. The seats are the best seats in the game. The car is awesome with the torque and horsepower on the highway. The car is smooth. It's just pure luxury. You know, old school, pure luxury. Super amazing to drive. You can drive like 10 hours in this car and not get tired of it. So that being said, one of these things that I've noticed just now kind of working on the car is cigarette outlets. All right, the previous owner on this car got rid of the cigarette outlet here, and when you pull this unit out, it's just a USB wire, and it's not actually connected to the original outlet for power. So there's no cigarette outlet here in the front. So I want to change that. So guys, all that being said, we have a brand new cigarette outlet with the actual wire attachment plug-in, which that does not have on there anymore. And we're gonna go find the factory harness and reattach this and get this thing fixed up. So let's rock it out. Alright guys, so just so you guys can see what I'm talking about, I'm gonna pull out this old USB thing here, which I already had broken previously. And you will see that this is just a wire hooked up, and all of the hookup attachments for the original harness are no longer there. So let's go ahead and pull this out, starting with this, like this. Alright guys, so let's just test out this harness, make sure it's still working here. So this has a power light on it. And as you guys can see, the power light is on, so that is all set to go. This is the side marker light that lights up this perimeter, and it glows green, but obviously that is no longer working, so I'm not too concerned about it. All right, boys, carpet is back into place. Everything is nice and cleaned up there. We got a functioning, working cigarette outlet now, which is amazing. So stay tuned for the following video to continue here. We're gonna get that ABS module back in there, get rid of the Christmas tree lights, and get this thing on to the next task. We got a lot of things to do to get this thing roadworthy for a massive road trip that we are planning on taking. So be sure to stay tuned. If you guys liked the video so far, give it a like, comment below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll keep you guys posted here in this video when that module gets back, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so we finally got the ABS module back in. It's a few days later from the earlier part of this video, and you obviously can see here we got a fresh seal all around. They did find one of the circuit boards needed some repair on there, so I'm pretty sure it should be good, hopefully. So let's pull out this Volvo here and get it in, since it's another rainy day here in fall of New Jersey. Anyways, let's hop into it. Just so you guys know, there's two plugs for the bottom of this ABS module, one on the bottom here, and then obviously the large harness on the top. All right, guys, there's the module all set. All 6 screws are back in there. Now I just go ahead and re-secure this harness like this. Just like that, everything is now back into play. Just re-secure this fuse box and this drain. All right, guys, so now the fuse box is back into place. Just put the 10mm bolts back in. And then we'll go ahead and put that battery tray back in, which is easy. So this whole thing really just takes about 15 minutes to take off, 15 minutes to put back on. It's pretty straightforward. So now I got those few bolts. Start her up, take her for a ride. Alright, boys, here we go. Everything is nice and organized here. Right back to where it should be. Battery cover is engaged. Let's fire her up, take her for a ride. Alright, guys, we got power. We got ignition. Let's make sure those lights turn off now. There you go. Lights are off. That's a really, really amazing sign. And the last thing we're going to do here is just reset all of our dates, since we are no longer going to have to pull apart the battery. All right, boys. It is 52 degrees. Our heated seat is working nice. Our ABS module is now working. We have no more dash lights, no more engine lights. And as you can see here, our car is now registering speed and everything looks to be a-okay. So looks like we solved all of the electrical problems of this car, knock on wood. Hopefully we don't have any more electrical problems. But for the most part, I believe we fixed everything. We got the trunk all sorted out. We got the cigarette outlet sorted out in the front here, as you guys saw earlier in this video. And now we got a rebuilt ABS module, and she's ready to go. I mean, windshield wipers are looking pretty good. They might need to be replaced, but I think for the most part, they're wiping fairly well. I would say they're about 80%, so that's okay in my book. And this car is getting ready to road trip. We're gonna road trip this car. We're gonna road trip this car and put some miles on it, because it already has some miles, so why not put some more on it, right? In the next episode, guys, we're probably going to be doing the rims. I have brand new emblems for the rims, since they're all missing on this car. It's a common thing on this generation. And also paint. We're gonna repaint the rims. We're gonna sand down the rims, get rid of all the fractured paint and scratches and the yellow, old yellow clear coat that is on there, and we're gonna just refreshen up the rims, you know, make it look much better than what it is. I mean, we got this car looking probably like 80% perfect for, you know, a car with almost 200,000 miles. So it's not embarrassing to drive around like it was in the beginning with no paint and a lot of rust. So yeah, one step closer to completion with this car. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. If you guys enjoy, please give this video a like. It costs you nothing, but it's really good for the channel. So if you guys can, give this video a like. And of course, smash the subscribe button if you haven't already to stay tuned for the next episode. And you guys can reach out to me at Pancis if you guys have any questions, and you can also drop a comment below. So thanks for tuning in on this video. I appreciate it, and your support, all the comments, all the love, and we're gonna keep going. So stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.